Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Bonbon puppet. First, gather your materials. You'll need felt in various colors, a good pair of scissors, and fabric glue. Also, have some stuffing ready to give your puppet shape. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized for easy crafting. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable puppet-making experience. Let's get started on this fun project. Now, let's focus on the puppet's body. Using your pattern, cut out 2 identical shapes from your chosen felt color. Carefully apply fabric glue along the edges of one piece, then press the second piece on top, aligning them perfectly. Remember to leave a small opening at the bottom for stuffing. Once the glue is dry, gently fill the body with stuffing until it's plump and holds its form. This forms the main structure of your Bonbon puppet. With the body complete, it's time to give your Bonbon puppet personality. Cut out small felt circles for the eyes and a crescent shape for the mouth. You can also add rosy cheeks or eyebrows. Carefully glue these features onto the puppet's head, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Consider adding felt hair, small buttons, or even a tiny bow tie for extra charm. These details truly bring your puppet to life and make it unique. Your Bonbon puppet is almost ready for its debut. Make sure all the glue has completely dried before you start playing with it. This prevents any pieces from coming loose. Gently manipulate your puppet to ensure all parts move as intended. If anything feels stiff, you can make minor adjustments. Now, your adorable Bonbon puppet is ready for imaginative play and storytelling. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.